Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing. As always, we have hit up an automotive brand for one of their mystery boxes. This time we've gone with the Strictly Static Jap Sticker mystery box. It costs £20, it's available on their website at the moment. Here it is in the envelope, not a box this time. We are waiting for another box to arrive from further afield, so we'll just quickly pop this open for you. Just quickly slide along there. There we go. And we will see what is contained within. So Strictly Static, regularly seen at events. And this box, as I say, is a £20 box. So let's see what we've got. We've got contained within, we've got a standard, just plain Strictly Static box. We've got a lovely glittery Snorlax there, which the magical green screen is not loving. We have another sticker here. We have a Made in China sticker. We have a fake hero sticker. We have a Bad Luck Club sticker. We have a glittery Spicy Boy sticker, which I'll show you in a rollover shot shortly. We have a Strictly Static sticker, and we have a Kanjizoku sticker. Let's just check that is absolutely everything contained within, and see what we've got. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stickers in there with the Strictly Static as well. Very quickly, we'll just have a panning shot of all of those on the normal mouse mat, just so you can see all the glitter stickers in play. Okay. So that's all the stickers there. The box cost us a total of £20. Each of the non-shiny stickers are £1 each, so there's £5 there. And then the 3 glittery stickers that we got, they're £2.99 each. So the total value for the glittery stickers is £8.97, £5 for the non-glittery stickers. So the total box value there is £13.97. So in truth, would I recommend getting a Strictly Static £20 sticker box? No. It's just, I don't, honest answer, don't think it's worth the money. They are greatly reduced slaps. They are smaller than the slaps that we produce. These are not 21x7s. Yeah, the truth is, I don't think you're getting good value for money in this mystery box, personally. Have a look at their website, think for yourself, do what you want to do. But in truth, there's not £20 worth of stickers in this box. Overall, you might as well select what you want on their website if you're going to spend £20 and buy the designs that you want. So links in the description, as always, to all the mystery boxes we get. But my recommendation here is buy the stickers you want from their site, and don't buy the mystery box. Catch you on the next episode. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.